Get ready to shape, bake, and make your own erasers. Prepare your clay, roller, tools, and a clean surface to work on. Knead each clay color until it's soft and easy to shape. Your EraserLab kit comes with a mold to make fun themed erasers. Here's how to use it. Spray the mold lightly with water using the spray bottle. Press the clay firmly into the mold. Pop out your shape. It should come out easily. You can make a full eraser with just the mold or use the molded shape as part of a bigger eraser you design. Now it's time to get creative. We'll show you how to make a pink unicorn, an octopus, and a starfish. It's time to make a magical pink unicorn eraser. Roll your clay into an oval shape for the unicorn's body. Use your roller to press 4 light sections at the bottom. This marks where the legs will go. With your fingers, pinch and shape each section into a little triangle to form the legs. Roll another oval for the head. Press it onto the body. Blend the clay with your fingers so it sticks. Then use the roller or the flat side of your knife to smooth out any cracks. Pick your favorite clay color for the unicorn's hair. Roll it into a long rope, then flatten it with the roller. Cut sections, curl, or fold them, and press them onto the unicorn's head. Roll another cylinder for the tail. Make one end a little thinner by rolling it, then twist the tail. Press it onto the back of the unicorn's body. Roll a cylinder. Make both ends a little thinner. Fold it in half, then twist the 2 sides together. Press it on top of the unicorn's head. Roll 2 tiny white circles and place them on the unicorn's head to make the eyes. This should be the final look of your unicorn. Next up, we're making a friendly little octopus. Roll a ball of clay and press it flat to make a circle. This will be the base of your octopus. Roll a smaller ball of clay into a cylinder shape. Flatten it to make a leg. Pinch one end to make a triangle. Repeat this until you have 4 legs. Press the legs around the edge of the base. Now roll the ends of each leg back toward the body to make curly spirals. Roll another piece of clay into an oval. Place it on top of the base, right in the middle of the legs. Roll 2 small white balls and press them onto the head for eyes. Gently flatten them so they stay in place. Next, roll 2 smaller green balls and press them on top of the white circles for pupils. Flatten them too. Roll tiny white dots and press them onto the head and legs to decorate the octopus's skin. This should be the final look of your octopus. Up next, we'll make a cheerful starfish eraser. Roll a ball of clay. Flatten it with your fingers until it's about as thick as you want your starfish to be. Pinch the edges of the circle in 5 spots to form the starfish's arms. It should start looking like a star. Gently press and smooth the surface with your fingers or the roller so the arms look even. Roll a thin rope of clay in another color. Use the plastic knife to cut it into tiny circles. Place the circles along the arms and in the center to decorate your starfish. This should be the final look of your starfish. Place your clay designs on a baking tray, then ask an adult to bake it at 110 to 130 degrees Celsius for about 3 minutes. Let your erasers cool completely before touching or using them. Awesome job! You made not 1, not 2, but 3 amazing erasers. If you had fun with this kit, you'll love our other EraserLab kits. Each one comes with different clay colors and unique molds, so you can create even more shapes and designs.